It's your boy June. We're doing some tubing on the jet ski. Bro, please don't kill me. What's up, guys? Today we are doing some venturing and we're gonna be tubing down the Econ River. We're gonna fill this bad boy up, strap it to the jet ski. This guy's ruining it. What's up, everybody? It's your boy June from June's World, and I'm with my boy Tony.
What's up?
I got Josh in the back. Today's adventure is going to be dope. We are going to be riding the Econ River. We're going to be doing a little bit of tubing, some wakeboarding. It's going to be crazy because this is a small little creek that kayakers ride down, you know, and you have a bunch of airboats riding around, but we today are going to take over that place and go tubing and wakeboarding. This guy's gonna do the wakeboarding.
Oh man, can't wait to see that.
Oh, and by the way, I didn't mention this, but the Econ River is full of gators, so we're gonna be dodging and weaving some gators, so it's gonna be pretty dope. So check it out. Do not leave your seat. Stay tuned, because we are going to.
It's gonna be exciting.
It's gonna be exciting. Let's do this. Let's go. Now 9:40 and we're still waiting on Cabrera.
Are we ready, guys, or what are we doing?
We're waiting on
we're for Randy. Did you know him?
Randy?
Yeah, Randy. He's the one that's he's never late. He's always on time. Yeah, but no, he's always on time though. He's always on time. He wakes up at like, he goes to bed at 4 a.m. Yeah. He wakes up at 7 a.m. drinks a cup of Colombian coffee. Sometimes he don't know how to make it because his Miss Becky.
I heard he drinks 4.
Yeah, but he messes up coffee all the time. He doesn't know how to put the caffeine stuff inside the thing.
And the Keurig?
Yeah.
The Keurig
yeah,
thing?
He flooded the whole counter.
Oh, damn, that sucks.
Yeah.
And when a man that drinks so much coffee, you think he'd be running around us already by now.
Yeah, but he's old, man. He's like 65 years old.
64.
Yeah, he says, yeah, 64. But he's a slow guy. We got to keep it up. We gotta I feel sorry for the handicap.
Yeah, his ankles are swollen, so it kind of slow him down.
We gotta call AARP to give him a hand in anymore.
Yeah, and his knees. Have you seen his knees? They have a lot of scabs on them. I don't know why. They're red spots. They're everywhere.
I may or may not know something
okay,
about that.
want to smell my finger?
I want to know what you guys' outtake is on Randy being late.
Oh, I think my outtake on Randy being late is it's usual, and we cool with it. We sitting here waiting.
You want to know what my outtake on Randy is?
I'm hot.
Hey, look at my outtake.
Pero that son of a bitch is a piece of shit. You know, America is a piece of shit. Hey. Look at, I have something for you. Look it. Come. It's a booty.
Hey!
You are a man.
Bro! Guys, it's taking y'all so long.
No, you're not even allowed to.
I thought you had like 5 coffees already.
No, I swear. What's up, guys?
You should have heard all the shit Tony had to say about it.
You should have
heard Tony.
We was going to call you at the same time.
There's video of it, but Tony is not happy.
Look at all these snitches. Look at all these snitches. They all jump ship quick. They all jump ship quick.
Hey, he's a busy guy.
They all jump ship. You see that? They all jump ship.
He told me 10:30.
Oh, here we go.
Make it up in no time.
The guy that's always going 10 o'clock sharp.
I was like, well, he wakes up at 6. He doesn't know how to make coffee. No, actually, Junior said that.
I said,
he said he drank about 5 cups.
I said, let's forgive him.
Hey, I love Randy though. You're awesome. Love you, brother.
What's up, guys? So check it out. We are at the Econ River getting ready to launch and go down to the Econ. But before we go, I know you guys have been wondering about this tumbler that I've been holding on to. I decided to give it away to a certain little person that has been awesome. I mean, he's been watching my videos, and I mean, the kid loves the things that I do. So I think it's only appropriate to give him this tumbler. Now, I don't think anybody else will deserve it but this guy. This guy is constantly watching my videos. This is Colton, and it's my #1 fan right here. So he doesn't know this yet, but I'm giving him the Do You Even Jet Ski Bro tumbler for being my #1 fan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. June, we're doing some tubing on the jet ski. Bro, please don't kill me. That was fun. Guys, nothing but fun out here on the Econ River. We're tubing, jet skiing, you name it, we do it. We don't care.
That's right, we don't care about nothing. We don't care about nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's your turn, Danny Duggan. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh God! Oh. Motor Ski Riders, baby! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh God!
As soon as she grabbed it.
start helping you out. I'm like ready to do this again from here. Wait.
You are my new hero, buddy.
It's a little bit of an accident.
Wait, we had an accident. We all right. Let's. All right. Oh, great time. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah. Ready?
Good.
Ready? Go. Okay.
Wow. Were you in that one?
Yeah, I went sideways on him.
I see that.
And he gets back in.
We're jumping over there. Oh, I'm convinced. Here we go again. He's either gonna get stuck. Wakeboard time. Take me over that way. Here we go again.
damn gators.
How'd you like it? Too many gators?
Too many gators.
How many gators did you hit?
I felt a couple thumbs.
Guys, look at this. That is a gator corpus. That is a gator's corpus. Whoa. With the vultures just chilling. Wow. That was a big one. Oh, it stinks. Oh my God, it stinks. Guys, it's been an awesome adventure today. We did Econ River. We've been up to St. John's River. We have not been able to go to Deep Creek because we had a few skis break down and it's been slow trucking. We had lunch at Jolly's and we're at the sandbar now. Everybody's chilling, but we have to get going because that right there is getting pretty nasty. So a lot of lightning. We want to make sure we're all safe. But guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you know, guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. You know, we do a lot of events, and I like to put out these rec rides so we can get everybody together, ride together, create memories, and just share experience and just memories also. You know, just we love doing this, and this is all a part about riding here in Florida. Florida ski riders, people. We're chilling. But it's lightning like crazy over there, and I think we can get by it, and I'm hoping that it just keeps on moving, but it's getting a little bit it's getting kind of crazy right now. So, but guys, thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace out.